Hey everyone, and welcome back to All Things Money. Can we really use AI to make money while we, literally sleep? Is it just hype, or is there something real here?
It's a great question, and it's definitely not just hype.
Okay, good, because I was worried for a sec.
But it's also not magic.
Okay, so no magic button.
No magic button.
Got it.
It's about using AI strategically and practically to build systems that can generate income even when you're not actively working.
So you're saying it's not about replacing our jobs with robots, but it's more about using those robots to help us do our jobs better.
Yeah.
And maybe even make some extra cash on the side.
Exactly. It's about leveraging AI to amplify your existing skills and knowledge, not to replace them.
Okay, that makes a lot of sense.
Yeah.
So where do we even begin? What's the first step in this whole AI passive income thing?
Well, the first step, according to our source material, is to identify a lucrative niche.
Lucrative niche. All right, break that down for me.
It means finding an area where there's a need or a problem that you can solve using AI. And ideally, it's something you're already interested in or passionate about.
So if I'm really into fitness.
Yes. If you're into fitness, maybe you could use AI to create personalized workout plans or meal plans for people.
Oh, that's a cool idea.
Or if you're a great writer, maybe you could use AI to help you write ebooks or articles faster and more efficiently.
So it's about finding that sweet spot where my interests and AI's capabilities kind of intersect.
Exactly. And there are tools that can help you with this. Google Trends, for instance, can show you what topics are trending right now. Answer the Public can reveal the questions people are asking online. And Uber Suggest can help you analyze keywords and see how much competition there is in different niches.
So market research, but for the AI age.
Exactly. It's about using data to validate your ideas and make sure there's actually an audience out there who's interested in what you have to offer.
Makes sense. Now, one niche that our source material highlighted was content creation. It seems like AI can be a real game changer for bloggers, vloggers, social media managers, and all of those folks.
Absolutely. AI can help you create high-quality content faster and more efficiently, whether it's blog posts, video scripts, social media updates, or even ebooks.
But wouldn't you still need to be a good writer or video editor to make it work?
Yes, and no AI can handle a lot of the technical aspects, but your unique perspective and expertise are what make your content stand out. AI is a tool that helps you amplify your abilities, not a replacement for your own creativity.
Okay, so it's like having a really smart assistant who can do all the grunt work, but I'm still the brains behind the operation.
Precisely. AI is a force multiplier. It helps you do more in less time.
I like that. A force multiplier. So once we've identified our niche and we're feeling all creative and empowered, what's next? What's step 2 in this AI passive income journey?
Step 2 is all about leveraging AI tools to automate tasks. And the source material mentions some tools that I think you'll find really interesting.
Hit me with it. I'm ready to be amazed.
All right, so we've got ChatGPT, Jasper Canva, and Synthesia.
ChatGPT. I've heard of that one. It's like a chatbot that can write for you.
It's more than just a chatbot. It's a powerful language model that can generate different creative text formats of text content, like poems, code scripts, musical pieces, email letters, etc. You can use it to write blog posts, social media captions, even scripts for your videos.
Whoa, that's impressive. And what about Jasper? What makes it so special?
Jasper is amazing for creating SEO-friendly content. It helps you optimize your content so that it ranks higher in search results on Google and other search engines.
So more people will see my stuff, basically.
Exactly. It helps you attract a wider audience organically without having to spend a fortune on ads.
Okay, that's definitely a win. And Canva, I've heard of that one too. Isn't that for designing stuff?
Yes, Canva is a graphic design platform that makes it easy to create stunning visuals even if you're not a professional designer. It's got tons of templates and AI-powered features that can help you create everything from social media graphics to presentations to logos.
So even if I'm design challenged, I can still create beautiful visuals for my content.
Exactly. Canva makes it easy for anyone to create professional-looking graphics.
I love it. And last but not least, we've got Synthesia. What's that one all about?
Synthesia is a video creation platform that uses AI to create incredibly realistic videos using avatars. You can create videos without ever having to step in front of a camera.
That's wild.
Yeah.
So I could create a whole video course or a marketing campaign without ever showing my face.
Exactly. It opens up a world of possibilities for people who are camera shy or don't have the resources for traditional video production.
This is blowing my mind.
Wow.
I'm starting to see how all these tools can work together. I could use ChatGPT to write a blog post, then Jasper to optimize it for SEO, and finally Canva to create a beautiful featured image.
You got it. And you could even use Synthesia to create a video summary of your blog post to share on social media.
We are really cooking with gas now. But hold on a sec. We've talked about finding our niche, and we've talked about using AI tools to automate tasks. But how do we actually make money from all of this? Like, how do we turn these outputs into cold, hard cash?
That's the million-dollar question. And that's where step 3 comes in monetization. But we'll have to save that for part 2 of our deep dive.
You're killing me. I can't wait to hear more.
Stay tuned. We'll be right back after the break.
Don't go anywhere.
Welcome back, everyone. Ready to dive into the money part.
You know it. Last time we geeked out on all those amazing AI tools.
Right, ChatGPT, Jasper, Canva, Synthesia. It's like having a whole digital team.
Seriously. But now I want to know how we actually turn all that AI magic into profits.
Okay, so monetization, it really depends on what you're creating and where you're sharing it.
Right, because a blog post and an ebook are kind of different beasts.
Exactly. If you're all about content, there's the classic trio: ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing.
Tried and true, but how does AI fit into that?
Think of it as your secret weapon for optimization. AI can analyze your audience, their demographics, what they click on, all that.
So instead of just throwing darts in the dark.
You're making data-driven decisions about which sponsors to approach or which products to promote.
Smart. And what about going beyond just content? Like creating our own digital products?
Oh yeah, huge potential there. Ebooks, online courses, templates, the sky's the limit.
But creating a whole course feels kind of daunting, to be honest.
That's where AI can really shine. Imagine using ChatGPT to help you outline your course, Jasper to make sure it's SEO friendly, and Canva to design a killer landing page.
Okay, starting to see the light here. And then what, do I need to build my own website?
Not necessarily. Platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or even Amazon's Kindle Direct Publishing make selling digital products super easy.
Wait, so I can create a course and just upload it? They handle all the tech stuff.
Pretty much. They've got a built-in audience and take care of all the payment processing and delivery.
Mind blown. So AI helps me create, and these platforms help me sell. Sounds like a winning combo.
It is. And let's not forget about e-commerce. AI is shaking things up there too.
Yeah, dropshipping has always intrigued me, but it seems kind of complicated.
AI can simplify it big time. You can use AI tools to research what's hot right now, find trustworthy suppliers, even automate your marketing.
So I can find a product that's trending, partner with the supplier, and AI can help me get the word out.
Absolutely. And there are even AI-powered platforms that handle everything from fulfilling orders to answering customer questions.
Whoa, so basically AI can be my business partner.
It's more like your super-powered assistant, letting you focus on the big picture while it handles the day-to-day.
This is incredible.
Yeah.
But I'm realizing it's not enough to just set things up and hope for the best.
You got it. That brings us to step 4, scaling with AI-powered optimization.
Scaling. Sounds kind of intimidating.
It's really about working smarter, not harder. AI helps you constantly refine and improve your systems.
So instead of just guessing what works, we're using data to make better decisions.
Exactly. Remember those data-driven tools like Google Analytics? They show you how people are interacting with your content.
So I can see what's grabbing attention and what's falling flat.
Right. And then you can use that info to tweak things. Maybe your headline needs work or your call to action isn't compelling enough.
And AI can help with all that tweaking.
You bet. Tools like Hootsuite's AI can suggest the best times to post on social media or even write those posts for you.
Okay, officially feeling like a tech wizard over here.
Yeah.
But what if I want to test out different versions of something, like my website?
A/B testing. AI can be a huge help there too.
Really? How so?
AI can actually automate the whole A/B testing process. You could have AI test different headlines, images, even entire layouts.
And then it tells me what's performing best. No more gut feelings, just cold, hard data.
You got it. Data-driven decisions, that's the name of the game.
I'm starting to see why everyone's so excited about AI, but what happens if one of my income streams dries up? Like, what if a platform changes its algorithm?
That's why the final step is crucial. Diversifying your income streams.
Makes sense. Don't put all your eggs in one basket.
Exactly. Diversification makes your income more resilient and less vulnerable to sudden changes.
So how does AI fit into all this diversification?
Imagine you're killing it with ebooks. AI could help you branch out into online courses, maybe even webinars or workshops.
So taking my existing knowledge and creating new formats.
Precisely. And AI can help you explore completely new avenues too.
Like what?
Remember those AI-powered SaaS products we talked about? You could use your expertise to create a tool that solves a specific problem in your niche.
Oh, wow, that's thinking big. And then I can reinvest the profits from one stream into another.
Exactly. Building a self-sustaining ecosystem of passive income streams.
It's like a financial fortress, protecting me from whatever the market throws my way.
And diversification isn't just about mitigating risk, it's also about exploration and growth.
I like the sound of that. Exploring and growing. But I think we'll have to save that part for next time.
You bet. We've got more exciting insights coming your way in part 3.
Welcome back to our final deep dive into AI and passive income.
It's been quite a journey, right?
Seriously, from finding our niche and those amazing AI tools,
To actually making money with them.
it's like a whole new world has opened up.
Yeah.
But I'm still craving specifics.
Okay, good, because that's exactly what we're diving into today.
Hit me with it. I'm ready for some actionable insights.
So let's revisit content creation, always a popular choice for passive income.
And we've talked about how AI can supercharge content creation.
But it's not just about writing faster or making snazzy graphics.
Okay, so what else is there?
AI can also help you really understand your audience.
Like what they're actually looking for.
Exactly. Imagine using AI to analyze their demographics, interests, even their emotional responses to your content.
Whoa, emotional responses, that's next level.
It's all about data, right? So instead of guessing, you're creating content that truly resonates.
And that leads to better engagement, more followers, all that good stuff.
Exactly. And once you have a solid understanding of your audience,
Then the monetization strategies we talked about become even more powerful.
right, think about ads, sponsorships, affiliate marketing.
Yeah.
They all benefit from knowing your audience inside and out.
It's like targeting a laser beam instead of shooting arrows in the dark.
Perfect analogy. But let's switch gears for a sec and talk about e-commerce.
Still love the idea of dropshipping, especially with AI in the mix.
It's a game changer, seriously. AI can help you find those winning products.
The ones that are flying off the virtual shelves.
Exactly. Plus, AI can help you source those products from reliable suppliers.
No more shady deals on some random website.
You got it. AI can analyze supplier data, reviews, even track their shipping times.
So I can be confident that I'm working with the best of the best.
And then comes marketing AI can automate so much of it.
Targeted ads, social media posts, the whole shebang.
Think of it as having a 247 marketing team working for you.
Okay, this is making me feel like I can actually do this. But what about those digital products we talked about?
Yes. Ebooks, online courses, templates, still huge potential there.
But how do we get them in front of the right people?
Those platforms we mentioned earlier, Gumroad, Etsy, Amazon, they're your best friends.
So I can just create my course and upload it. They handle the rest.
Pretty much. And AI can help you optimize your product listings, even write your marketing copy.
No more writer's block or spending hours crafting the perfect sales pitch.
AI can do it all. It's like having a personal assistant for your digital products business.
This is incredible.
Yeah.
But I'm realizing it's not just about the tools, it's about the mindset too.
Couldn't agree more. Embracing AI is about working smarter, not harder.
It's about leveraging technology to achieve our goals and create a life we love.
Exactly. It's about freedom, flexibility, and pursuing our passions.
Wow. This deep dive has been truly eye-opening. I'm feeling so inspired and empowered right now.
Me too. Remember, passive income isn't a get-rich-quick scheme.
It's about building sustainable systems and using AI to amplify our efforts.
And the best part, it's accessible to anyone, no matter your skills or background.
So what's our final takeaway for our listeners?
AI is a powerful tool, but it's up to us to wield it effectively.
We need to be proactive, curious, and always learning.
And most importantly, we need to take action. Don't let fear or overwhelm hold you back.
Start small, experiment, and see what works for you.
Because the future of passive income is bright, and it's powered by AI.
And if you're hungry for more insights on building wealth
Yeah,
and achieving financial freedom, make sure you catch our next video.
it's going to be a good one.
Until then, keep those money questions coming.